Breast surgery is highly individualized to the needs of the patient. A wide variety of benign and cancer surgeries available at KIMS. This includes advanced breast conservation, including reshaping the breast or using your own body tissue, ensuring that the breast can be preserved, the cancer removed, and leaving patients with a good aesthetic outcome. Also, a range of breast reconstructive surgeries are also available at KIMS Hospital. We have access to 6 operating theatres, which are equipped with some of the latest technology. Patients recover from their surgery in the comfort of individual private rooms. The important thing is that your care during and after your surgery, including the recovery, is consultant-led. However, supported by a team of breast care nurse specialists and healthcare professionals who have a wealth of knowledge and experience in looking after you.